Hey y'all, it's TIᗰE, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these clip-ins that I got from Amazon. I will have all the information on them coming up next, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are the Amazon clip-ins I got. I got the 18-inch variation. Each variation comes with 8 pieces, which can be 4-to-1 clip-ins in each one. But before I worried about any of that, I went ahead and braided down my hair. I do have a sewing tutorial that breaks down my braid down process, but basically I just sectioned off the perimeter of my head because I did want to do different styles, so I went ahead and parted that away. After I braided down one half of my head, I went ahead and sectioned off my leave out, which was going to be my middle part. Then I went ahead and braided my middle part away as well, so it wouldn't get caught up with what was going to be under the clip-ins. So right here you'll see that I'm done braiding down what needs to be braided down. I'm going to start sewing the ends of the braids together. This is pretty simple. You will see me do it in the video. Alright y'all, it's time to start putting the clip-ins in our hair. I went ahead and started with these two, which is the 3-piece clip-ins.